Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see this special type of a grid line. It is a golden spiral and I've applied it before I've started the recording in order to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after resetting, it should disappear. I hope, at least. So in order to find proper option, we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, this 3 bars icon. So let's tap on it and then let's tap on the settings right here. So let's tap. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. Basically nothing really happened. I mean, those options flashed a little bit. So now we can go back to the camera and check. And basically here we've got the very first evidence that we successfully accomplished the reset, because we've got this information, welcome to camera. It will be shown if you will open the camera for the very first time. So let me tap on agree. Okay, once, whatever. The second evidence, because you can select the style in which you will take the photos, natural and realistic or fresh and vibrant, whatever. And here we've got finally our camera without the grid line, which simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so basically that's all. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.